All right, let's dive into the common money habits that might be holding you back financially. So, let's ask the tough question. Are your money habits actually keeping you poor? You know, it really boils down to one huge difference in mindset when that paycheck hits. See the difference? The rich pay themselves first. Saving is a priority, not a leftover. So here's the plan. Make that savings transfer your number one bill every single month. Okay, once you're saving, the next step is building a solid foundation. That means tackling debt. Here's a simple but powerful rule. If you can't pay cash for it, just don't buy it.
And think about this. The average credit card interest rate is a whopping 22%.
Yeah, the companies want you to be bad with money. That's literally how they profit. So, your first major goal? Build up a 6-month emergency fund. It's your financial shield. All right, next up, you've got to know your numbers. You can't improve what you don't measure. Seriously, do you know your exact numbers? Because financially successful people absolutely do. And watch out for this trap, lifestyle inflation. The more you make, the more you spend. But just seeing where your money goes, that's often enough to spark a change. Okay, now let's activate your wealth engine. It's time to go on the offense with your money.
Because here's the thing, you can only save so much, but your earning potential, that's infinite.
Saving money has a hard limit, right? But earning more? Well, that has unlimited potential. And there are so many ways to do it. Ask for a raise, start a side hustle. But maybe the biggest mistake is just waiting too long to start investing your money. Because of inflation, money in a bank account is actually losing value every single day. So let's put it all together. What's your first step to building real wealth?
Look, building wealth isn't some fantasy. It's just a series of deliberate, smart actions.
And you know what? The most important step is the one you decide on right now. So I'll leave you with this question. What's the one money habit you're going to change today?